sure you close your trunk. That's it, man. Today, I'm about to teach you how to remove these tail lights off this 2012 Maxima. Damn, it's type bright outside, but it's really brick. Because the sun is out doesn't mean it's hot. It's cold. But anyways, I'm gonna show you how to remove the tail lights because there's brake lights out and the tail lights have to come out. So you'll see. I'm gonna show you one side because this side's out. I'm not trying to make this video too long, so I'm gonna show you this side, then you can do the other side. Same way as that side. Let's do this. Let's pop the trunk. However you want to pop it, I'll pop it from there. Just like that. Okay. This is where you have to take off. You have to take off these right here, these clips. You can use a flathead or one of those special, clip pullers that I have. I'm going to show you, and I'm gonna get a flathead. So let's get those tools. These are the tools I have. I have a flathead. I have this. You see what I'm talking about? Easy puller. And I have an 8. You need 8 mil. Take out the bolts for the tail light. Now let's take off these clips one by one. Okay, one. Maybe I don't need that flathead. Shit fits. Those. You need to put those right back. Okay. Make sure you put it somewhere you don't lose them. Let's take off. Now you gotta take off this whole thing right here. You see this? It's gotta come off. So you could take this, put this back. You see what I'm talking about. Now let's take off these. Take off these. Yeah. This one a little different. You gotta, same thing, but take off the top like that, pull it out. Yeah, shit, there you go. Now use this, take it off. There you go. Now this one right here, take that off. That. There's another big one over here. Take that one off and this one off. As soon as you take those off, you gotta pull this off. Remove this. You gotta pull this whole thing out. Like that. You could just bend it like that. You don't have to take the whole thing off. But if you're doing both sides, you gotta take this whole thing out. This whole thing out. Or bend it back. As soon as you take that out, there's another one. Right there, bam. Don't lose that. You're gonna need that. Now bend it back as far as you can. This should be good. I'll put it behind this plastic piece. These are your bolts right here. These are your bolts. Take those bolts. There's 3. Is it 3? There's 2 of them. There's 2 bolts. Take out. Off this thing that's on it. That. This one. Okay. So that's out the way. Got this harness right here. You see this harness? Right here. That's for the tail light. So unplug that. Just like that. Plugged. Now take off these 8 mils. 2 of them to finish it off. So you remove those 2 bolts. There's like what do you call that? Like other these are not screws, but these came off. You see how they came off? Somebody ripped it. But you see these pliers to squeeze those things to come out. While squeezing those, you gotta push the taillight back while squeezing these 2. That right there, that, and this one right here. You can see it right there. Bam. That gray thing. Squeeze those with a plier. Soon you do that, you squeeze that at the bottom at the same time. If you can, like squeeze one by one and try to pull the taillight back. Pull it back like this. While doing it, you pull it back. Like, go this way. Go this way. I will show you. Hold on. Alright. Now you see what I'm talking about. So get your pliers right here. Get pliers. Squeeze those things I showed you. You squeeze on it. While you're pushing back, you squeeze on the thing. Squeeze. And push it back at the same time. Okay, it's like that. Back. Okay. See what I'm talking about? This is why you don't want to pull on it, because this, you're gonna break this thing. You don't want to break that. See, it's come right through like that. Reverse light I'm changing. I'm changing the reverse light, not the brake light. This is the reverse light right here. I'm about to change that bulb real quick. I'll be back. Like I was saying, you don't want to rip it off, because you see this? You see this? It slides into this thing that's on the car. So if you're trying to pull it off, you're gonna break this thing. You want to break this. All right, so I already changed the reverse light bulb. So let's put this thing back on. Easy. Reverse, just like that. Make sure you slide this into there. Smooth. Line up the holes. Right. Line up the damn holes. Line up the holes. Soon you line up the holes, and this is on there. See what I'm talking about? Like that. And so you can do that. Just push it in, like this. Push. Okay. Now, so you can do that. Put your 8 bolts, 8mm bolts. 8mm bolts. Plug in your tail light. You don't want to forget this. Put it in. Put these back on there. Just like that. Take this, put it over the plastic piece. Okay, remember, there was a clip right here. Make sure you line that up here first. Right here. Line up the hole. Like this. Same thing here. Make sure you line this up under the rubber piece. This goes under it. It's like that. Okay, that's good. This one, let's put this one, let's put this big plastic piece back. Back like that. Okay. Nice. Now let's put these back on. These. Just like that. Those are on. If you have an easier way of doing that, like squeezing that those plastic things I was telling you about the tail light, you have an easier way, let me know, man. That's how I do it. But anyways, soon you're done doing whatever you're doing, tail light swap, changing your bulb or whatever, make sure you test the light if it works before you put everything back. See if everything works, because you don't want to take that off again. But anyways, see if they work, and then put it back together. Okay? So, if you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram. If I helped you out, give me a like. Don't forget to give me a like if I helped you. And subscribe, man. Later.